Suya Ghana national anthem no. No was sending a YouTube link. Suya. Because your friend no be Jina Park and also. Now you bought anthem ni dia. I was what to be. And I brought for Casa. God bless our homeland Ghana. Ni Suyana and check. Nti say I guess the nipa starting now. Aye mra was say abusia we nya di na say adwuma bi uduro ya ha say uduro agi so log in. Nti so person ura ha be ya adwuma nko ade you abide by mra na wa ha. Nti we so ya de a gise ekohia crofasa.
Ku jina primary school fo bi achi pa no mo to national anthem de.
Omo ye pledge say kura de omo di diagram parliament kura parliamentarians ni bi obi free interviews o man the pledge wentimi anka
enra anka kwezi free say ye ko parliament house parliamentarians no omo dodo san kura na national anthem no bitimi
because ye de ni omo diagram say ye parliamentarian untimi nka pledge ni ayi na me ye president o betimi aiza
what's it 3 weeks be
3 weeks bola memo atwingo krom ha no
Oje military ruler.
Abusia, munya sa democracy. Na oba no ni freedom as a but wo tenetene no. Anya the first so wo no yinti wo gya ne sa. Wo se tenetene ni pa ba bi aduri. Asa be no wan tenene mu za ye de sa na Ghana 40. Ghana ni nya ni freedom man sa tenetene no. Why to say body e wo de two jaso na wa ndane na be hye. Sana the Ghana that we are in. Sana Ghana ni pa ne te. Inti si ebe frɛ obi dia. Yen send mano say Suya the national anthem. Oba hotel so a ye were printed copy. Printed copy. Na foreign affairs ministry ne kura nko so omo ye ka omo passport no ye wi anatare ase ja ade ni nie. But they are not interested. They are interested in saying say oh president have promised him some bad or the bema mo enya nsem ketwa. Eno na panyin na she coat after flight. Eko on se meka kiro say o Kumasi FM say 2 words bi wo ha me mpa wo mabra bom kura one a meeting and a committee me pem Ghana meeting a waste of time en change hwe nyansasem bi emfiri mu ma committee ne so benum ti afrefre nipa those ya say tie nie ye mfa nye hwe nti I don't want to be engaged in anything me and team and it mempe. So the president akai it is a very essential very important thing. Now we know I was so involved in military no. Na ye bo anthem na no mo scan it through FM penifo panyini bi o government ni wote ho a want to be esi ye na ne atwe na frim. Ye de na kosi Awudome ya manese kan omu nyom ba bi kono eho na fu onno next time the person will align. Discipline is an essential ingredient. Jesus kura be wiase no na discipline enka ho. Inti discipline anka ho a anko antimi enye miracle no. O say muntu asaw no enkogu ba bi. They listen to him. That is an act of discipline. And wo mutu gogu ho no mukoyi bi. Fa we fra hu. O kwa infuhia na so say ensana wase menya modan
Peter ka wase yakọ asa anadwo ni nyina
ye nya hwe
wase
nti na okwa so de dem ho na okoto nkrofo so o ton nyoma no indiscipline act na ne bufu ye so you don't have to leave people say we say you live in military rule the Ghanaian here give me 3 weeks why you are lying
they're done
abusia Ghana ne say and we need somebody we so confident on throw say and I am a party for Becca say no. I was your party Becca say your party is not important than the mine Ghana no.
Sure.
We should do things the right way. That is why we are all suffering. You can't hear the BI serious, but the seriousness no ye nyanwi. Me so de dako me do be fa wase kropon akwa sitakwa. Na say wo ra ho a na che say unyo nipa wo ya wo mu. Ghana is free for Kubenia tie free so the speed e ba no until we should be careful Mr. President at the end of the address it but would me no send your career as a wo kasere no Mr. President me penisa I yes wa address it
because this is a serious issue say what shall me they have to say what are other nations now She Colombia for ya almost say eve she said your boys na yiri omo no mo to national anthem no
abusua
other nations na said your mo to be krom be bo football papa bi onye ye
abusua Messi teacher ni bi ochira de o farm ayo talking about ni shu ase nya asem ketwa watu ade ye ya man $100,000 obi kobo ball 3 weeks ye o see your free England and buy anthem no ntimi to be which is another important thing one to have $100,000 na ye wia ye nsan te tax the what some boy no watch ran kwara anthem ne the play akwaje kire the history of Ghana no onye $100,000 na ye te wona wo address asem we a o kan wia no asere Mr President 2 years ya ka idie o change no come military star and I'll be very happy